Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Myself Archana and I am from Haryana. I did my graduation from Delhi University Gargi College in Geology. This year I have secured All India Rank 2 in DU MSc Geology entrance exam and All India Rank 5 in Punjab Central University. So I was approached by Kajal ma'am of Kaves Academy to share with you all how I prepared for this examination and give you all some tips which may help you during your preparation for entrance exam or any entrance exam. So first let me talk you about the syllabus. So syllabus for all the PG entrance exam is your BSc graduation syllabus. There may be one or two topics which you don't have studied during your graduation, but apart from that you can safely go with your graduation syllabus. So before your preparation, do one thing: download one previous year question paper and try to solve that. So by solving the paper, it is good to analyze yourself that where you stand, or you come to know that which topic question are more asked, which topic are more asked in the previous exam or can be asked in future also, or which are easy topic or which are hard or which take time to you for memorize them. So for preparation you can follow any books, notes or anything which works for you. For me, I personally follow Pathfinder Life Science book, which come in two parts, part 1 or part 2, which you can get online also. I just followed this and Anita Sehgal for classical wala part, because classical part is like in very concise manner in Pathfinder book, but it asks more in entrance exam, so you have to cover this part from any standard book which you want for or Anita Sehgal. I will go with Anita Sehgal during my entrance preparation. But most of part you will get in Pathfinder Life Science book. You can get all the topic, so you can follow that also, because every entrance exam demands revision, so you need to revise all the topic, because otherwise you will get confused in even very easy question also. So this is the important thing. I used to revise Pathfinder book about 3 to 4 times, or maybe 4 to 5 times. So I would recommend you that please revise all the parts about 2 to 3 times. This is very necessary. This is the key to crack any entrance exam or to top in any entrance exam. So you have to revise or give time to any topic, otherwise you will get that topic will skip from your mind. For MCQ, I followed MCQ Pathfinder book, but you can follow other also, but make sure one thing, that the answer that given in that MCQ book are correct, that you follow, because in many books the answers are incorrect, so you will get incorrect answer and that will be incorrect in exam also. So try to solve that book that have correct answer. First let me tell you about DU. There are many questions that repeated again and again in entrance exam of DU. Okay, so before sitting in any entrance exam, at least try to solve 5 year previous year question. If I talk about this year, The exam of DU was very easy. It was very easy, and almost 15 question was from PYQ. So you can get the importance of PYQ, that you need to solve at least 5 year PYQ. So but it is not like that you will get all the topic from PYQ. You need to follow the standard book or other book which you want to for the preparation of the entrance exam. In DU entrance exam, it's not like we get more number of question from one particular topic. All topic are evenly distributed. In classical, you should remember the characteristic of all the phylum or class, and these are general characteristic that you need to read, and all the larval form. You need to study that also, or the part that you studied in your graduation, you need to study that also in classical zoology wala part. So if next I will talk about biochemistry, then in biochemistry we generally studied about the structure of protein. In protein, the amino acid. So try to learn all the structure of the 20 standard amino acid. You will get question from that, so you need to memorize all the structure of amino acid. And then carbohydrate, lipid, nucleic acid, all their structure we studied in biochemistry. Then in next, metabolism. In metabolism we studied about glycolysis, Krebs cycle, electron transport chain, all these. And then gluconeogenesis, glyconeogenesis. So in this part this year also we get 2 to 3 questions, so try to learn this part very carefully. If you want, then you can follow Laringer also for this part, biochemistry. Next, in cell biology is we studied about the general organelles, their structure and the characteristics which are limited for that particular organelle. And then cell cycle, cell regulation. But this year in DU entrance exams, almost all the questions were asked from cell cycle and their regulation, almost all from the cell cycle. So try to learn that carefully. Next, in immunology, this year we don't get any question from immunology, but it's not like that in PYQ there were not a single question. It's so try to learn that also, read that also. Next thing, if I talk about genetics or mole bio, in genetics we studied about Mendelian rules or sex determination, sex characteristics, all these. In mole bio में हम mostly we studied about the 3 main characteristic, 3 general processes: replication, transcription and translation. So you have to keep the general idea of these processes in eukaryotes and prokaryotes, and along with repair mechanism. We can get question from repair mechanism also, the different type of repair mechanisms. Next, in human physio, the more question asked in human physio from endocrinology, the different glands, their hormones, and the disease related from that glands hormones, like from hypersecretion and hyposecretion. In immunology, in ecology and evolution, the question are not asked in much depth, so you need to overview of that from Pathfinder, that much enough. You just need to revise the concept, like in overview for all topic that you studied during your graduation. That will be enough to crack, I think, not go in much detail. So finally, I would like to add one thing: if you don't get your dream college or university, then don't be sad. Of course you will be upset. I apologize for that, but in future if you will do hard work, then definitely you will get. And if you want to get quizzes, then please then you can follow the Kavis Academy channel in Telegram. You will get many quizzes during your entrance that will be helpful. And if you across any questions which you feel like you don't know the answer, then you can ask from there also. We will get in touch with you. So thank you all.